Hi there, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to take you around this approved used Audi A4 Avant S-line 35 at TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. This particular example is finished in the optional Glacier white metallic paintwork, which really give this A4 that fantastic road appearance. As well as this, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now, looking at the key features, with this being the S-line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the upgraded styling such as the front bumper design, rear diffuser and side profile. As well as this, you do get the chrome roof rails as well as the chrome window surrounds as well. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, where we do find these S-line specific 19-inch 5-arm Torsion design alloys, and they're a part of the Audi Sport range, and they do really complement the white paintwork. To the side of this A4 now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A4 Avant, where we do find up to 495 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a half leather and half dynamic interior. There is also a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are even Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. As well as this, you can easily accommodate 3 occupants in the rear with ample leg space. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin expected of this prestigious brand. You do get the Napa leather as well as the Alcantara door inserts and the aluminium dash. With this being the S-line model, it does mean you get these two-tone sport seats which you have the S logos as well as the white stitching. Above now, we do get the virtual cockpit display, in which does feature the 2 digital rev counters as well as having access to your satellite navigation. Now towards the centre of the dashboard, where we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which again does feature the satellite navigation, but does also allow access to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we do find the optional 360 surround camera, which does make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of this approved used Audi A4. The vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please do get in touch with our friendly sales team.